Hi friends, we're going to do language arts and we're going to read a new book today. It is now May, so we have all new stories to read. So our leveled book for May is called Who Do You Look Like? So if you remember some of our vocabulary, it was talking about our parents and our family and our DNA and all of the different people we could look like. So this story is going to talk about that. And the title is Who Do You Look Like? By Amy Benn. All right. Who do you look like? Touch the title of our story gently. Good job. Carrie and Jeff are sister and brother. They look alike, but they also look different. All right, so you see in our picture, two of our words are alike and different. So we're already talking about how they look. In some ways they look alike, in some ways they look different. Touch alike. Alike. Good job. Carrie and Jeff have traits. The traits are in their DNA. All right, look at our picture. What word does this picture mean? Remember, we talked about it in our vocabulary. Find it on our communication board. That picture means trait. And we just learned that our traits are in our DNA. And remember, our traits are things like our hair color, our eye color. Carrie and Jeff get their DNA from their parents. Who do they look like? So they get their DNA. Touch DNA. They get it from their parents. Carrie has brown hair like her mom. So Carrie has brown hair just like her mom. So they are alike in their hair color. Can you find brown hair on our communication board? Brown hair. Jeff has blonde hair like his dad. So Jeff and Dad have the same color hair. Their hair is alike. Carrie has brown eyes like her mom. So Carrie's eyes are brown, which is alike. Her mother. Can you touch eyes? Eyes. Jeff has blue eyes like his dad. So Jeff's eyes are blue, just like his dad. Carrie is short like her mom. Touch short. Jeff is tall like his dad. Touch tall. Who do they look like? Who do you look like? Can you think about who you look like? Do you look like your mom or your dad or your grandma or your grandpa? Miss Ainsley looks like her dad. The end. That's the end of the book. We're going to look at a couple more words on our communication board. So the main words that we've talked about are parents, our mom and dad. DNA, which is the reason we look the way we do. Trait, like our hair color and eye color and our height. Good job. Bye, friends.